Hello. Asian stock markets rose sharply today as Fed rate hike bets recede, supported by last week's weaker-than-expected U.S. payrolls data. Technology-heavy indices experienced the largest increase, as these stocks tend to move inversely with bond yields, which retreated following the Fed meeting last Wednesday. Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped over 2.2%, while South Korea's Kospi rallied over 5%. The Kospi was also hoisted by the government's complete ban on short selling in local markets. Oil prices are on the rise today after Saudi Arabia and Russia reaffirmed their production cuts until the end of the year. To review, both U.S. crude and Brent futures had fallen about 6% last week. The rebound today is also being boosted by the fall in the U.S. dollar, which has made commodities cheaper to buy for overseas traders. Chinese trade and inflation data are factors that could move the oil market this week. Tesla announced that it is boosting factory worker pay in Germany amid pressure from Germany's metal workers union. Details include a 4% raise effective starting November for around 11,000 employees at the German plant, as well as a €1,500 bonus in December. This new wave of labor activism could threaten Tesla's profit, which is already struggling after the series of price cuts for its vehicles. Berkshire Hathaway reported quarterly adjusted earnings of $4.96 per share for the quarter ended in September, beating analyst expectations of $4.59. Revenue rose 21.2% to $93.21 billion compared to the same period a year ago, while analysts had been expecting $81.28 billion. The company's cash pile jumped to a record high of $157 billion in the quarter, a part of which was due to a $5.3 billion offload in U.S. and foreign stocks. The share's sales reflect the firm's caution during a time of high borrowing costs as it widens its opportunities for new acquisitions. Ryanair reported an 11% increase in passenger numbers in the 6 months to September, despite average fares rising by 24%, which helped raise the carrier's near 60% rise in profits to €2.18 billion. Revenue for the half-year period came in at €8.59 billion. Following the success, the company announced that it will pay out a dividend of €400 million in 2024. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.